In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Move to iOS on Android phone. So first of all, download the Move to iOS application. If you do not have this application, you can install it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you'll be able to connect the Android and iOS via the cable, or you can also continue with Wi-Fi. If you would like to continue with Wi-Fi, tap on this option, continue with Wi-Fi, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in your iOS device, follow the steps until you reach the apps and data screen. Also make sure to choose the option for move data from Android. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you're connected in the Android. Right now, I do not have any iOS device to set up, but I'll tell you what to do. A 6 or 10 digit code will appear on your iPhone. What you have to do is enter that code on your Android device. Now, after you enter the code, you'll have to connect and transfer the data. The Android device will be connected to the iPhone via direct Wi-Fi connection. What you have to do is simply select the content that you would like to transfer. It might include contacts, messages, photos, etc. After you do that, tap on the continue option. Now what you have to do is leave both the devices alone until the loading bar on the iPhone completes. Now after the loading bar is completed, the transfer will be done. Now all the data that you selected will be transferred to the iOS. So like this, you'll be able to use this. So that is how you use Move to iOS on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.